Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to make a countdown timer in CapCut, from a blank canvas all the way to a custom timer ready for your project. By the end, you'll know not just the technical steps, but you'll pick up a few tips on how to make your countdown look and feel just how you want it. This is perfect for event teasers, YouTube intros, or even fun social media stories. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your CapCut app. Just like opening a fresh sketchbook, this gets us set up to create something new from scratch. If you haven't used CapCut before, don't worry, the interface is super user-friendly and intuitive. Once the app loads, find and tap on Create New. This is your starting line for almost any fresh project in CapCut, so it's good to get familiar with this button. Next, when you're asked what type of project you want, click on Blank Canvas. Think of this like an empty page, the perfect place to build your countdown from the ground up. Using a blank canvas is ideal here because it gives you total control. No distractions, just your timer and whatever style you want to apply. Now we're going to pull in a template, which saves you a ton of time compared to designing a timer from absolute scratch. Find the option that says Select Template and in the search bar type in Countdown. Take a moment here, CapCut has loads of templates and searching for Countdown brings up several creative options. It's a bit like scrolling through different designs at a stationery store. Pick one that really fits your vibe, whether you want it to look bold, minimal, or even a touch festive. Once you've selected a template, you'll see your countdown appear on the blank canvas. Here, where things get fun, on the right side of the screen, you'll find editing tools for the text in the template. This is important because personalization is what makes your content truly yours. For example, if the template says 2024, but your big event or launch is in 2026, simply click to edit and type in your custom date. You could swap out numbers, add specific words, or even change the font style and color. These small tweaks can make your countdown seriously stand out and connect with your audience better. Take your time with this part. Sometimes editing text in a template can feel fiddly, especially on a smaller screen, but don't worry if it takes a bit of patience. You might want to preview your changes to ensure everything lines up how you like, or even play around with the animation so the countdown feels dynamic and exciting. CapCut's interface will give you a live preview, so if something doesn't look quite right, you can tweak it right away. Once you've got everything just how you want, the right date, the perfect look, your countdown timer is ready to export or use in any video you're working on. This timer is great for building excitement, helping your audience know exactly how much time is left until your big announcement or event. And that's it. You've created a custom countdown timer in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or get stuck somewhere along the way, just drop your questions in the comments. I check them often and I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy creating.